We are going to see the measurement of the length. One fundamental quantity which we have discussed earlier in the length. To measure the length or a distance, SI unit used in the meter. In 1960, the standard for the meter based on the wavelength of the orange red light emitted by the atoms krypton, adopted by 1983, a more precise measurement was developed. It says that meter is in length of the path traveled by the light in a vacuum during a time interval of 1 upon 299,792,458 seconds. This was possible as by the time the speed of light in a vacuum could be measured precisely as c is equal to 299,792,458 meter per second. As a typical distance, we have to see in the table that distance of the Andromeda galaxy, distance of nearest star, distance of Pluto, average radius of the Earth, height of the mountain radius, thickness of this paper, length of typical virus, radius of the hydrogen atom, and radius of the proton. The measurements of the largest distance, the parallax method. The large distance, such as distance of the planet or the star from the earth, cannot be measured directly with the meter scale, so the parallax method is used. Let us do a simple experiment and understand. Hold your hand in front of you and look in your left eyes closed than in your right eyes closed. You will find that your hand appears move background, and this effect is called parallax effect. Parallax is defined as the apparent change in the position of an object due to the change in the position of observer. By measuring the parallax angle and knowing the distance the eye is even e2 as shown, we can determine the distance of the object from us, that is OP as E1 E2 upon theta. Here in a diagram it's shown that when we put an object between, this is E1 E2. So the parallax method, by determining the distance, as the distance of the planets from the earth is very large, we cannot see two eyes method as discussed. In order to make the simultaneous observations as astronomical object, we select two distance points of the earth. So consider two positions A and B on the surface of the earth separated by a straight line.